Oh, but look, it's checkmatehaters.com. Boom. Trophies for days, wins for days. Fix your face. Boom. Hold up, shout outs to my bitches. Hey. I used to fuck my girl trippin', can I visit? Can you suck it, can I hit it? I might stay here for a minute. Then it's back to handling business. Or Titanfall just killing. We smoking, we ain't dealing. So get it straight, it's my time, gotta compensate. I'm the champ, we can't conversate. This good music get a lot of hate. I'm Check Gay with a black K, saving hoes in my black cape, busting all on they damn face. But I still do what my girl say, cause she throw fits for a damn way. Check life, you can't downplay. All you niggas some downgrades, and you can't be me, that's a damn shame. I'm still wearing my old chain, still spinning this old change, still entertained with 2 A's, but these other folks just so lame. Put trophies through they chest plate, they faking, oh checkmate. Guess they money was misplaced, so by my feet you shall lay. They crying ref, lil LBJ, Reggae boy, no LB gang. 2-1 east side all day, and I ran things at Texas State. You hear me, man? No track though, just bad hoes. And the slab that stole that damn show. Truck floated like a damn boat, but I'm 30 now and I got more. They true suckers, they just jokes. Yo, woman looking at me, bro. Guess how far back we go. She returns again, no why low. Black script, I'm the man trick. Local man, above average. Doing things for his dad kids, so these bums want they damn ass kicked. I had guns, yeah, right kiss. I do what I do, just want ass kiss. You're dead to me, you're past tense. You're a lying nigga, you're a fraud bitch. Opportunistic starfish, this year your B-Day. Make a wish, yeah, you won't clip, but it's hit or miss. Better use your gifts, stay on your shit. Nobody do what they do like this. I'm the man that y'all formed against, they seeing me like an ordinance. Promoters about to go roach again. All these rappers losing hope again. I goes in, don't give a shit, no panicking. These mannequins can't stand Clint, but they want this bitch. Since they all had my last chick, your death due, plus rent too. Fuck you and your revenue.
Get out my way with your better do.
So when money talks, we excluding you. You and you, plus you and you. Yo new boo used to do the crew. We got visit pictures too. Hoes gon' do what hoes gon' do. Put old news in my trophy room. I'm just doing what I'm known to do, but you praying for the impossible. Yeah, this a fuck all of you song. I've been doing what you're trying to do song. My dedication to my crazy girl song. Damn son, every damn thing you do is wrong, but I'm moving on. Let's go, nigga. Fix your face, little nigga. Hey, yeah, fix your face, little nigga. Trophy room. Got it for days, little nigga. Keep going, I keep going.